Pag napuno ang isang babae, makikita mo agad o mahahalata mo agad. When a woman is fed up, it will show. Yung dating mahahabang text messages sa'yo, naging maiksi na lang ito, basta lang makareply. O minsan, hindi ka na i-reply. Yung palagi mong nirereklamo na maingay, nagnanag siya. It will now become statements. There will be no more attitudes about small things. She will no longer beg for your attention or would seek your attention. Wala nang I love you. Hindi mo na maririnig yun. Na hindi niyan magtatanong yung dating questioning. Wala na. Everything she used to do slows down and then stops completely. Kasi wala na siyang pakialam. Women care too early and men care too late. Pag nawala na yung ulo, susunod na rin yung katawan.